I am going to show you a quick look inside this Root, the game of Woodland, Might and Right board game. Let's see what is inside this box. Okay. Instruction. Wow, actually very nice board. So I actually did not know how to play this game yet, but I'm just gonna show you what is inside this. Here. All the pieces. Dice. This is the card that comes with it. Actually, very nice card. It's an amazing card. Few more cards. It's actually a really nice board game. The quality of this is insane. Wow. This is actually a really cool board game. So I'm really excited to play this game.